We're with Charlene Patton of the Kansas Soybean Commission, cooking up another soy-infused recipe. Can we say infused with this?
Okay.
I guess it's infused, right, Charlene?
You can say whatever you want.
Whatever I want. Not exactly, but yeah, I know what you're saying. All right, what are we making today?
Well, it's Bake and Take Month. I was telling you this is the month where you bake something and take it to someone. And it's such a good community service project. We're doing this in conjunction with the Kansas Wheat Commission. And to get your family to bake something, and have your children deliver it to a teacher, a next door neighbor, a coach, someone they want to say thank you to. Or go visit someone in a care center. That would be a great thing to do too.
Yeah, brighten their day.
So this is a takeoff of a peanut butter cookie.
Okay.
And if you're allergic to peanuts, the soynut butter can be used instead of that.
Okay.
So it makes a good healthy change. So this has the soynut butter in there, and I've just creamed that with 1/2 cup of the soynut butter, 1/2 cup of margarine, and margarine is a soy product, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. And see how nice and creamy that is.
Yeah, even the dough itself just looks really delicious.
So now you're going to add 1 egg to it, and I'm going to mix this in.
Oh, great
and
job,
I'm just
Denise.
going to use a spoon. But if you were at home, you could use a mixer and make it a little faster. Then this is 1/2 cup of soy flour, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour.
Okay.
So I've got a lot of goodness in there, and a teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay.
And you can put that in there. And all we're going to do is just mix this up. And again, if you were at home, you might want to use that electric mixer and make it go a little faster.
We use our arms. We use our muscle
That's
here on
right.
13 News this morning.
That's right, and it makes it all come together. Then after that makes your nice dough here, we're going to take this and this makes it easy to put it out on the baking sheet. Bake this at 375 for about 10 to 12 minutes till they're golden brown.
And these
That's
are your
the final product.
Yeah, right here. Look at that. We can customize them in any different way, right, Charlene? That's what we're going to be doing next segment.
Next segment we're going to learn all about different ways to make them festive for Bake and Take.
Your plates are very slick. Things like to slide off of them. You can do that. All right, and that's coming up around 6:20. We're turning this dough into these cookies.
Yes, we are.
All right, kansassoybeans.org.
.org, that's
All right.
it.
We'll be right back.
Get the latest news, weather, and sports at WIBW.com or follow WIBW on Twitter, Facebook, and our mobile app. Thank you for making 13 News This Morning the most watched morning newscast.